Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a pair of earbuds from Veatool. These are the Veatool X15s and we're going to go ahead and check them out. So these have true wireless stereo, music quality, superior sound, some good bass and some other specs. If you want to look at the specs, they're on the left side. Pause that if you need it. Let's get into it. So first we have Veatool. You have a user manual on top. Very clear instructions on how to set them up, the charging case, and other etc. information. Right here you have the earbuds. We'll put that to the side for a second. Right here on top you have the accessories. Inside you have a large and small earbud silicone tips, as well as a charging cable. This one is Type C to USB-A, and that's pretty much it. So let's get into the earbuds. Here they are. Nice black, glossy, pretty cool. And then if you open them, they'll automatically start pairing, and I just heard the pairing sound. They do have a digital display as well. As you can see, you have left, right indicators as well as the main overall case. So right now, the case is charging the earbuds, which is really cool, and it's draining pretty fast actually. I don't know how. Maybe it's charging really quick, not too sure. That's draining really quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and pair this to a device. All you have to do is just get your device, go into settings, Bluetooth, and then scroll all the way down to other devices, open the case, and then it will pop up on the bottom. As you can see right here, Veatool X15, so you go ahead and click it and it'll start to pair. We are paired right there, connected. So now we could go to take them out the case and start listening right away. First, let's just take a look at them. So we have like an aluminum border. I'm not too sure if it's actually aluminum. You do have speaker grills right here as well. Pretty cool. You have earbud silicone tips. And then you have some other parts right here. More grills. Charging indicators on the bottom. You have microphones on the sides as well. Put them in our ear and look for the sound. Alright, so we did our typical testing. We did a stereo test, a low latency test, a deep bass test, as well as a lows, mids, and highs ranging between all those different sounds and frequencies. And what I found is that the lows are decent, mids are muddy, highs are basically just garbage. I don't know, they're listenable. I don't know what the price is on this right now because they're very new, but they are listenable for sure. They're not as clean or as crisp audio quality as AirPod Pros, because these do mimic AirPod Pros. They do have a way lighter case. I don't know what the milliamp ratage is, but really light case. To be able to play and pause a YouTube video, all you have to do is press on either earbud once, as you can see. To answer or end call, you just double tap it. To reject a call, you just long press the right earbud. Triple tap to increase volume, and then hold the right or left earbud for the voice assistant for 2 seconds. 1, 2. See, as you can see, we have the voice assistant right there. Triple tap on the right earbud to increase volume. Triple tap on the left earbud to decrease volume. For the next track or previous track, all you have to do is double tap. So double tap the right earbud to skip tracks, and double tap the left earbud to previous track. Wirelessly charge these. So I'm going to get my wireless charger here, and I will go ahead and place it on the pad here, and it is charging. As you can see, it is charging right now. So wireless charging does work. I didn't even know these had wireless charging, but that's really cool. And obviously another method to charge is you can use the Type C port on the bottom. The magnetic clasp is really good. This is a seamless, look how seamless this like gap is. It's crazy, I don't know. But you know, sound quality overall, they are decent headphones. I don't know what the price is, but if they're under 25 bucks, I'd recommend them for sure, because they sound like under $25 headphones. But if they're over 25 or anything like that, then don't get them. But overall, I mean, they're actually pretty good. You can also put them back in the case to easily turn them off, or you can turn them off automatically by pressing each earbud, long pressing them, and then you can reconnect by opening it again. I'm going to show you how they reconnect and how quick they reconnect. They are right here, Veatool X15. So So wait till the disconnect, and then we're gonna go and open it. About 5 seconds. So they are really quick to pairing. That's really good. They have Bluetooth 5.0. These are also IPX5 water resistant. So you can go ahead and like go on light rain and whatever. You can do jog or sweat resistant. Really, really helpful. Yeah, you have a total of 20 hours of battery life with the case and earbuds. So it's really, really helpful. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.